Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi magnific espresso machine. Now for this machine, we just replaced the water tank as the other water tank was having issues and the floater sensor was just not working with the machine anymore. We made sure we also took this machine apart, and we also checked that the overall health of the machine. And unfortunately, this machine is in a rough shape. Some of the parts are from 2005. They are original. This machine is from 2005, so some of the original parts are still in there, and some parts are also rusted, and some parts might need to be replaced soon. But we got the machine to work. We were able to do a descaling cycle. We were not able to redo it again, unfortunately, as it was having some issues with just performing the descaling cycle itself. But we were still were able to test the machine truly, do coffee, do steam, and do other functions that the machine should be doing. So right now we're gonna be testing it, starting with 1 shot of espresso, and then we're gonna be testing the rest of the machine just to make sure that the machine is still in good condition. Right now the transmission is pushing the brew unit, getting that into position to grind coffee. Once it gets into position, the grinder will start. Once you finish grinding coffee, it goes into the brew unit, which it will get pushed by the generator, and then the water pump will start pushing water from the water tank into the thermoblock and through the generator. Then it's gonna come out from the spouts, as you see like that. And as you can see, steady flow coming out of the machine. Good coffee, good cup of coffee as well, with good crema. Transmission goes down, deposits the used puck into the container, and then the machine is ready to do another cycle. So now we're gonna be testing the steam and then the hot water. The thermoblock needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, the machine will just push water through the thermoblock, and you will see it coming down from the steamer one. As the machine builds up more pressure, you see more steam coming out through the one, just like so. As you can see, steaming correctly, with pressure coming out from the one. A little bit leaking from here as the parts are worn out by now, but it's still producing steam. Now we're gonna push hot water. It's gonna shoot a lot of steam first because we were just steaming. We were just using the steamer function of the machine. Once it cools down, you're gonna see that steady flow coming out from the one itself. As you see, now the thermoblock is cooling down, and the flow of the hot water spout is normalizing, and we have now that steady flow. And we ran out of water, so you know that the water tank sensor is definitely working. The floater went down to the low position. I'm gonna fill that up. And we can still resume the hot water function that we were doing. Machine is ready to brew, and as you can see, we tested all the functions of the machine: the grinder, the transmission, the brew unit, the spouts, the coffee function, as well as the steamer and the valve itself. Also, we ran out of water, so the water tank sensor is working, and as you can see, we filled that up, and the machine now detects that the water tank is full of water and is ready to brew. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica, ready to brew. And so thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.